Few beverages on earth inspire the kind of devotion and debate as Coca-Cola and Pepsi. These two iconic brands have become more than just drinks. They are cultural phenomena that have captured the hearts and taste buds of millions around the world. These two titans of the beverage industry have dominated the global market for over a century. Their rivalry is legendary, with each brand constantly innovating and evolving to stay ahead in the game. They have quenched our thirst, fueled our celebrations, and sparked endless debates about which one reigns supreme. From family picnics to grand celebrations, these sodas have been a part of our lives in countless ways. But what exactly goes into making these iconic drinks? The process is a fascinating blend of science, art, and a bit of mystery. And what are the key differences that set them apart? Is it the secret recipe, the marketing strategies, or something else entirely? The answer, as with most things culinary, lies in a delicate balance of ingredients, processes, and a dash of marketing magic. Each brand has its own unique formula that has been perfected over decades. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of cola production, exploring the secrets behind these fizzy favorites. We will take a closer look at the meticulous processes that ensure every bottle tastes just right. We will uncover the unique characteristics of each brand, from their signature flavors to their iconic branding. What makes Coca-Cola's taste so distinct? How does Pepsi manage to stand out? Get ready to unravel the mysteries of the cola clash. This journey will not only quench your curiosity, but also deepen your appreciation for these beloved beverages. Before we dive into the specifics of Coca-Cola and Pepsi, let's first understand what makes a cola a cola. The journey of cola begins with its basic components and the science behind its effervescence. At its core, cola is a carbonated soft drink flavored with a unique blend of ingredients. These ingredients are carefully selected to create a harmonious balance of sweetness, acidity, and flavor. The signature fizz we associate with cola comes from carbon dioxide gas dissolved into the liquid under pressure. This carbonation process is what gives cola its refreshing and invigorating quality. This process not only creates those delightful bubbles, but also adds a subtle tang to the drink. The sensation of the bubbles bursting on your tongue enhances the overall drinking experience. The base of most colas is a mixture of sugar, water, caramel color, phosphoric acid, caffeine, and natural flavors. Each of these components plays a crucial role in defining the taste and appearance of the final product. It's the precise combination and sourcing of these natural flavors that remain closely guarded secrets, contributing to each brand's unique taste profile. The art of blending these flavors is what sets each cola apart. These flavor concentrates, often a complex blend of fruits, spices, and other botanicals, are the heart and soul of any good cola. They are meticulously crafted to achieve a perfect balance that appeals to the palate. They are what truly distinguish one brand from another. The subtle differences in these flavor profiles are what make cola enthusiasts loyal to their favorite brands, creating a unique identity for each cola on the market. Coca-Cola, often dubbed the real thing, has built its reputation on its closely guarded secret formula. Locked away in a vault in Atlanta, Georgia, the recipe for Coca-Cola is known to only a handful of individuals. This air of mystery has undoubtedly contributed to the brand's allure over the years. While the exact recipe remains a secret, we do know that Coca-Cola's flavor profile emphasizes citrus notes, particularly orange and lime. Some believe a hint of cinnamon and nutmeg adds to its complexity. Coca-Cola also uses sugar as its primary sweetener, contributing to its classic caramel-like sweetness. This combination of flavors, carefully balanced and blended, has captivated taste buds worldwide for generations. Pepsi, Coca-Cola's biggest rival, takes a slightly different approach to its flavor profile. While both brands share core ingredients, Pepsi is often characterized by a sweeter, more citrusy flavor with a pronounced citrus zest. This distinct taste is achieved through a unique blend of natural flavors, rumored to include lemon, grapefruit, and vanilla, alongside the traditional cola spices. Another key difference lies in Pepsi's use of high-fructose corn syrup alongside sugar in some of its products. This decision, while controversial among some, allows for a slightly different sweetness profile compared to Coca-Cola. Pepsi's sweeter taste, combined with its bolder citrus notes, has made it a popular choice for those who prefer a less traditional cola experience. The Cola Wars, a tale of two titans. The rivalry between Coca-Cola and Pepsi, often referred to as the Cola Wars, is one of the most legendary in business history. This fierce competition has spanned decades, captivating the attention of consumers and marketers alike. It's a battle fought not just on store shelves but also in the realms of advertising, marketing, and even pop culture. Both brands have invested heavily in creating a strong presence in the minds of consumers. Each brand has employed memorable slogans, celebrity endorsements, and innovative marketing campaigns to capture the hearts and wallets of consumers. These strategies have often included high-profile partnerships with famous personalities and sponsorships of major events. Coca-Cola, with its longer history and emphasis on tradition, has often positioned itself as the classic all-American choice. Its branding is deeply rooted in American culture and history. Its marketing often evokes feelings of nostalgia, happiness, and sharing. Coca-Cola's campaigns frequently highlight moments of togetherness and joy, resonating with a wide audience. Pepsi, on the other hand, has frequently targeted a younger demographic with its marketing. The brand has consistently aimed to stay relevant with the times, appealing to the youth. Embracing a more modern and rebellious image, Pepsi's campaigns often emphasize excitement, energy, and individuality. The brand's advertisements are designed to appeal to those who see themselves as trendsetters and innovators. Beyond the Fizz, the cola giants' global empires. While Coca-Cola and Pepsi may be best known for their flagship cola drinks, both companies have evolved into sprawling beverage empires. Over the years, they have diversified their product portfolios to include a vast array of other drinks, including diet sodas, flavored waters, sports drinks, and even coffee. This expansion into new markets has allowed both companies to reach an even wider consumer base. Coca-Cola, for example, owns brands like Sprite, Fanta, Minute Maid, and Dasani, while PepsiCo's portfolio includes names like Gatorade, Tropicana, Quaker Oats, and Lipton. This diversification has not only insulated them from fluctuations in the soda market but also allowed them to tap into the growing consumer demand for healthier beverage options. The real thing? Deconstructing the Coca-Cola mystique. Coca-Cola's enduring success can be attributed in part to its masterful branding and marketing. From the iconic contour bottle to the timeless script logo, Coca-Cola has cultivated a brand image synonymous with quality, heritage, and Americana. The company's long history and association with positive emotions have solidified its place in popular culture. However, Coca-Cola has also faced criticism over the years for its marketing practices, particularly its targeting of children and its potential contribution to health problems like obesity and diabetes. Despite these challenges, Coca-Cola remains a global powerhouse, its brand recognition virtually unmatched in the beverage industry. Pepsi generation, targeting the youth market. Pepsi, while trailing Coca-Cola in global market share, has carved out its own niche by consistently appealing to a younger demographic. Its marketing campaigns often feature popular musicians, athletes, and other celebrities who resonate with a younger audience. Pepsi's embrace of contemporary trends and its willingness to experiment with new flavors and products have helped it stay relevant in a constantly evolving market. Pepsi's focus on the youth market has sometimes drawn criticism, particularly for its perceived contribution to the overconsumption of sugary drinks among young people. However, the company has also made efforts to address these concerns by introducing diet and zero-calorie options and promoting healthier lifestyles through its marketing. The Cola legacy, from soda fountains to global icons. The stories of Coca-Cola and Pepsi are intertwined with the history of America itself. From their humble beginnings as soda fountain concoctions to their current status as global beverage giants, these brands have reflected and shaped American culture for over a century. Their evolution mirrors the changing tastes, habits, and aspirations of generations of consumers. Today, Coca-Cola and Pepsi are more than just drinks. They are cultural icons. Their logos, slogans, and advertising campaigns are instantly recognizable around the world. They have become synonymous with refreshment, enjoyment, and the American way of life, for better or worse. The future of fizz innovation and sustainability. As the world grapples with issues like climate change, resource scarcity, and shifting consumer preferences, Coca-Cola and Pepsi face new challenges and opportunities. Both companies have made commitments to reduce their environmental impact by conserving water, reducing packaging waste, and exploring sustainable sourcing practices. Innovation remains crucial for both brands as they strive to meet the evolving demands of consumers. This includes developing new flavors, exploring healthier alternatives to sugar, and expanding their product lines to include more sustainable and ethically sourced beverages. The final sip, which cola reigns supreme. So after this deep dive into the world of cola, which brand emerges as the victor? The truth is, there is no definitive answer. The choice between Coca-Cola and Pepsi ultimately comes down to personal preference. Some prefer Coca-Cola's classic caramel sweetness and subtle spice notes, while others gravitate towards Pepsi's bolder citrus flavors and sweeter profile. Both brands offer a range of options to suit different tastes and preferences. Ultimately, the best cola is the one that brings you the most enjoyment. If you found this video interesting and want to discover more about how things are made, built, explored, discovered, or manufactured, be sure to give this video a comment, a like, and subscribe to Manufacta.